Hey everybody, Anna here from Craftbox. We have a bunch of gorgeous new journaling products and I'm here to walk you through most of them. So let's start with these gorgeous gold gates and different ornate pictures. So we have those, there's a set of 10 of those and they're really pretty because they're gold, and I think they're actually die cut from like the very thin plastic material because they are gold on both sides. We also have a rose gold ballerina set with a little bit of Alice in Wonderland thrown in there. So you have that one and you have 10 elements in here as well. And as I said, they are rose gold and these are double-sided as well. Here we have the beautiful ornate gates and windows, and these are absolutely beautiful. They're really detailed. Let's have a look at those. These are not stickers, so you are going to have to adhere them on your own, but these are very sturdy. So you get 12 different doors and windows, and these are in 6 designs, so 2 of each design. And here we have the fantasy mushroom. These are absolutely gorgeous. I'm not sure if camera gives the colors any justice, but they are beautiful, like a nice vibrant turquoise and blue. Absolutely stunning. I can see that they are a little bit more vibrant in real life, and you seem to be getting 3 of each design. So that is your fantasy mushrooms. Here we have our fantastic bundle called the planets. And this one is amazing and it's so huge. I just wasn't able to put everything on the table. And this is like a really big tile on which I photograph everything, and it's just huge. This set is 120 elements and there are 60 different designs. So you get every element repeated. But it is so huge, and you've got journaling bundles, journaling spots, and you've got really nice, like super thin papers. So these are great for journaling. And you've got your tickets, you've got gorgeous washi stickers, and these are the ones I really didn't have space to properly display. So these have backing, like a little plastic backing, and you can take them off. Really nice on any journal. You've got some kind of ship mechanics, but mainly planets and universe and tickets and more planets and maps. So that is your planets bundle. Here is another huge set that I simply called art, because there are a lot of paint replicas on here, a lot of frames, a lot of books, a lot of music and vintage letters. Absolutely gorgeous. It's another one similar to planets because it has 120 elements, so really thick pack. As you can see, hugely stuffed. And this has 60 designs, so each element is there in a pack twice. And here we have a third set from those really large sets. And this one is called nature. So we have planets, art and nature, and the nature is absolutely beautiful. Just look at those designs. Again, you get 120 pieces in here, 60 different designs, so each piece is repeated. And you have washi stickers, you have those kind of simulated burnt receipts, you have a lot of kind of botanical diaries. Oh, it's all so beautiful, and a number of them are die cut like this as well. Absolutely stunning designs. This one is called Nature. Now, another fantastic new product we have are those word strips, or actually sentence strips, and you have them on clear and you have them on black, and these are stickers. And we also have them in another style on the website if you were interested. So we have 2 different types. And here we have a set of vintage tags, and these are outlined with a solid color, but the actual design is nice and vintage, kind of going into sepia a little bit. Really beautiful designs. So these are your vintage tags. And here are your floral tags. They are slightly brighter than the vintage tags, also outlined with this solid color outline. But as you can see, these are so beautiful, nice and vibrant, but still a little bit vintage as well. And lastly, from the tags section, we have the script tags. Although they don't actually have that much script, or you can see different newspaper clippings, etc. Again, they are outlined in a solid color, and then inside you've got like dictionary pages and botanical books pages and some newspapers. Absolutely beautiful. And in that white color, a little bit of pink, as you can see just in the middle there, and also a lot of that kind of vintage ivory paper. And here we have the white mushroom, and these are so adorable. Just have a look at those designs. They look 3D, they're actually not, but they're drawn to look like they are 3D. Such a beautiful designs, really, really cute, perfect for any journaling page. So these are your white mushroom. And here we have a lovely set of what I call jelly stickers, but they're actually clear stickers called the fairies. So we've got fairies, butterflies, and lots of gorgeous flower arrangements. So let's have a look at them in a little bit of a closer detail. Really lovely vintage colours, beautiful designs. That's your fairies. And no journal would be complete without the little journaling spots and little white tickets. And these are beautiful. They have little outline on their tickets as well, and lots of beautiful prints, beautiful botanical. These are your vintage tickets. And here we have a little set called Nature One, and this one is 15 element set, and you have a differently textured printouts, and you have some of the jelly stickers in there as well. And here is your Nature 2 pack, and again it has differently textured papers and some jelly stickers as well, and this one has some round printouts too. And lastly, you have a Nature mini pack number 3, and this has butterflies, some of the jelly stickers, and some of the vintage printouts on different texture papers. And here we have the lovely rose pack, and this comes with the little envelope and all those gorgeous printouts, really, really beautiful little frames, and also some of the jelly stickers. So this is your rose pack. Last but not least, in this release we have a gorgeous lilac pack. Again, we have the beautiful papers, you can use them on your cards or in your journals, and you have the lovely frames as well, and some jelly stickers. So the same as a rose pack, just different flowers, and you do have that envelope in there as well. That is everything we have for you today, and everything you can find on craftbooks.co.uk. See you there.